Hello guys, hope you're well. I know I'm doing my intro bare face because I just want to do my intro bare face. Then I'm going to be reviewing the new Sleek Makeup Vitality Foundation, which looks like this. I don't know why people are not talking about this, maybe because they are not promoting it as much. But this is on their website and is the new Sleek Vitality Foundation. This was gifted to me by a friend, so she gave me this to try, and she gave me 2 shades, which is really nice. Like I said, this is available on Sleek website and it's retail for like £8 something. I'm going to leave the price on the video. And this is the Sleek Makeup Vitality Foundation, light to medium coverage, moisturizing, oil free. And like I said, this is the package. This is how it looks like, and I have it in 2 shades because I couldn't tell which will really match me better. And the shade I have is VF18 and VF16. Also try out their new powder. I don't know if this is new or not. This is the Sleek Makeup. This is Sleek Makeup 2, Sleek Makeup Cream to Powder Foundation, oil free. And the shade I'm using is in, because I don't have name on their shade, but the number I can see at the back of the case right here, because there are some numbers written here. The number I can see is called 1099. So, and I'm going to also use some new things on this tutorial. So if you want to see the review of that foundation and new bit I'm going to use on my face, because I'll only do my face on this clip and I'll do my eyes on another video. So guys, to prime my face today, I'm going to use new primer that was sent to me by L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Anti-Redness Primer. This is the grey one because they have different primer they just came up with. This is green. Anti-redness. Is this supposed to be okay for dark skin? I don't know, because this is the one that they sent me and it's green. After this, I'm going to apply, because they said that foundation, the stick foundation, is lightweight to medium coverage. So if you don't like full coverage makeup, this will really suit you. You will love this. But I will color correct before using this because I have some dark mark around my mouth area. Like my mouth area is darker than the rest of my face, so I have to color correct to balance. I've not used this in a while. Yeah, the Nipah Fab color correcting concealer. My makeup is going to look on top of this green thing I applied on my face. I slept last night, so I need to color correct my under eyes. For this, I'll just blend this with my sponge, my retechnique sponge rather. Now I'm going to apply the foundation on my face. Like I said, I'm using 2 shades, the F18 and F16. I didn't show you inside of the foundation. This foundation does not come with a pump. It's just the one. It's just a tube mat that you press out. See if the F16 can work. The F18 up, and this is the F16. The F16 is too yellow, then the F18 is too red. Just blend and mix these two together. I'm going to see if they have F17. So I think F17 might be my actual color. If you have that, like if you have my skin tone, I think you can just use the F17 if they have F17. Retechnique sponge because I feel this will just help like blend it into the skin. So let's use the retechner sponge. First impression, this is pretty like it's moisturizing like this. This is not bad. This is giving me some full coverage for some foundation that they will claim to be full coverage. This is giving me like full coverage, but they said medium to, maybe because I don't really have like acne to cover and all that. But if you apply this foundation and leave it to set for a while before blending, you understand, apply it on your face, leave it to set for a while, the thickness is going to come when air go into it. That's how I feel. To highlight my face, I'm going to use a new concealer. Not really new, because it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, right? Yeah, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I found this in Boots. I don't know if this is available in Superdrug, but I think it should be available in Superdrug. So these are the new shade that they have. They have more darker shade than this. They have 60. 60 is darker than this. You can actually use 60 to contour, but I didn't buy that because I already have concealers to contour with, so I didn't need to buy more concealer. If you are in the UK, you can get Maybelline new shade. So I'm going to try out the 45 and 50 and see how it looks like. I think they will change the 30 Cafe color. The 30 Cafe color is now light, so I don't understand what they are working with. They need to make up their mind about what they need to do with the UK shades of things, because I don't understand what Maybelline is doing. So I think they take their time to like give us darker shade to work with in the UK. I don't understand what they are thinking. Like these brands, they'll just like bring one or two shades and test the waters, and they will come out with more shade. Why can't you just do it once and for all, let everybody be happy? Okay, all these people, they are very confusing. I can't tell any difference between the two shades. They are pretty similar. I can't tell it different. So I'll just blend using my sponge. The formula remained the same. Hallelujah. This is the side I use in applying the foundation to blend out the harsh line. As you can see, I've been using just the retechner sponge for my face today. Set it with my Sasha Buttercup. Sasha is available at Superdrug now, so you can get Sasha online at Superdrug. The Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 615 to contour my face. I'm going to contour, like set the contouring in place, because when you use cream you need to set it with the powder. So I'm just going to bronze and like bronze the contouring in place. I'm going to use the sleek powder because it's darker than I am. It comes with a sponge, then it has a mirror. Then the powder looks like this. Like I said, this is way darker than I am, so they have different shade. So I think it's going to be cream. When it dries down, it's going to dry to a powder finish. I think that is what they mean. This is adding more contour to my contour. I'm going to go do my eyes. Let me go do my eyes. Then I think I'll finish up my face in the next clip. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible blush. Okay. But this is not even showing up in my skin. NYX blush. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible highlighter, the stick highlighter. I'll apply this at the back of my hand. I'm not just going to go, you know. That is pretty. So to highlight my face, to make me glow even more, I'm going to take the Sleek highlighter. Yeah, the popular one. I'll take this shade right here. This shade. A little bit of this highlighter goes a long way, so dust up the excess, please. Can you see that? Okay guys, we're back. This is the final look of the face. I've done my eyes and I quickly show you guys how I did the highlighting, how I apply my blush. Yeah, so I actually like the way the foundation is looking underneath everything. For a lightweight foundation, it's really holding up really nice. So I'm going to wear this foundation for a couple of hours and I'm going to come back to give you my final update on this foundation. But the rest of the things I use are really nice. I could not use the blush from L'Oreal because it's too light for me, but the stick highlighter as a base for this highlighter, amazing. Love it, love it, love it. You know me, I love to glow. You guys know the glow is real, glow of life. So I'm going to like leave you guys there. I'm going to come back some couple of hours to give you an update on this foundation. Okay, see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back for the updates on the foundation, the Sleek foundation. Okay, it's 2:38 right now and I've put on this foundation around, let's say, 8:30, roughly 4 to 5 hours wear of this foundation, and I can see the oil building up on my face. Like you can see my nose area is shining, my forehead is shining, my chin is shining, everything is just shining, but the foundation is not moving as much. For a light to medium coverage foundation, it's not that bad. It's not that bad because let's just be frank, some full coverage foundation do this, okay, that this, and they said the foundation is semi matte finish, oil free, light to medium coverage. So it's really semi matte finish. Those claims that they just said, I don't know about the oil free because I don't know about the oil free, but the semi matte finish and light to medium coverage, they are right about that. They are right about that. And let me just say one thing, if you go and watch this eyeshadow review and the brow review, link will be at the description bar. Okay, back to this foundation review. So what you have to do if you want to wear this foundation longer than 5 hours, 6 hours, just take your powder and just dab. You know, you have to like set your makeup during the day. I actually use a makeup setting spray and I still have this, so I don't know. My skin's supposed to be combination skin, but the center of my face get very, like, that is where the things happen, the movement happen. Okay, so I'll just take my sponge with my Sasha on the sponge. I'll just use this to tap it. So you can see the shine leaving and my face is back looking semi matte. The foundation still look very flawless on the face. I'm actually impressed with the foundation, the way it's holding up and the way it looks. after a couple of hours and all that. But it's all good. So like I said, if you don't like full coverage makeup, there's makeup for everybody. Just look for the one that's suitable for your skin and for your tastes. Some people don't like full coverage. Some people like I like full coverage. I like all coverage, medium, full, light. I like all coverage of makeup. So you can just pick the one that works for you. It's not everything that will work for you. So link to this foundation will be at the description bar. Everything that you need to know about what I use for this makeup tutorial, how to get them, will be at the description bar, guys. So make use of the description bar, okay? So guys, this is how my face is looking after I've set the face. Looking pretty well. My eyeshadow is still popping. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys. Bye.